¿Aún no logras hablar inglés con confianza y entender a los nativos? Solo necesitas practicar con conversaciones reales. En la lección de hoy, veremos conversaciones basadas en situaciones de la vida cotidiana. No olvides pausar el video y repetir en voz alta. E intenta aumentar la velocidad con la que lo dices. Así sonarás más natural. Vamos a ello.
Wake up! It's already 7:45.
What? No way. I overslept again.
Hurry, you'll miss the bus.
Where's my shirt? I can't find it.
It's on the chair.
Do I have time for breakfast?
Come on, move faster. Just grab a banana.
Ugh, Mondays are the worst.
Tell me about it. Let's go.
Morning. What can I get you?
Just coffee, please. I really need it today.
Bad news. The machine's down.
You're kidding me. No coffee? That's my fuel.
I know, I'm dying too. We've got tea or hot chocolate.
Tea won't wake me up, but fine, give me one.
Did you find everything today?
Yes, but I think there's a mistake. These apples were $3 on the shelf, but the register says $5.
Let me check. You're right. The sign says $3.
So, will you change it?
Of course, we'll match the shelf price. It's $3.
Great, thank you.
Oh no, buddy, come back here.
Is that your dog? He just ran past me.
Yeah, sorry. He saw a squirrel. He never listens when that happens.
Don't worry, my dog does the same. Look, he's sniffing near that bench.
You're right. Buddy here. Finally, thanks so much.
Anytime. Dogs really run the show, don't they?
Totally.
Ugh, the trash can is overflowing again. Look at this, I can't even close the lid.
Yeah, I noticed, but I thought you'd take it out this time.
Excuse me? I took it out twice last week. It's definitely your turn.
Fair point. Fine, I'll do it after this episode ends.
No way, it's starting to smell. Please, now.
All right. I'm going. Happy?
Very. Thank you.
Oh no, it's pouring outside. I swear it was sunny 5 minutes ago.
Typical weather. Did you bring an umbrella?
Of course not. I thought it'd stay clear all day.
I think there's one by the door. Wait, where is it?
Not here. Maybe in the car?
Great, so we'd have to run in the rain to get it.
Guess it's teamwork time. Ready?
Let's go.
Ugh, this line is so long. I just wanted to grab a few things and leave quickly.
Yeah, it always happens at this hour. Everyone seems to shop after work.
I know, but they should open more registers. Look at all the empty counters.
True. At least we have some time to chat while we wait.
That's one way to look at it. Still, I hope it moves faster soon.
That mosquito won't let me sleep.
I heard it too. It's been buzzing around my ear all night.
I already tried turning off the light, but it keeps coming back.
Maybe it's hiding somewhere in the room.
I can't take it anymore. Pass me the spray, please.
Here you go. Careful not to spray too much.
Got it. Finally, peace.
Let's hope it was the only one.
Fingers crossed. Good night.
Can you hear that? The neighbors blasting music again. It's almost midnight.
Yeah, it's so loud. How do they expect anyone to sleep like this?
Don't they realize people have to wake up early?
I know. Last week they did the same thing.
Should I go knock on their door?
Maybe wait a little. Sometimes they turn it down after a while.
I doubt it. I've had enough.
Okay, but please be calm.
Don't worry. I'll just ask politely.